Hello, everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a Fidelity index fund. Investing in index funds can be a great way to build your portfolio, and Fidelity offers a variety of options to suit different investment goals. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to get started. First, you will need to open an account with Fidelity. You can do this online by visiting their website. Click the Open an Account button and follow the prompts. You will be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to have your financial details handy as you may need to link a bank account for funding. Once your account is set up, log into the Fidelity website or app. Navigate to the Research tab and select Mutual Funds. From there, you can search for Fidelity index funds. Look for the ones that align with your investment strategy, such as the Fidelity 500 Index Fund or the Total Market Index Fund. You can read the fund descriptions and performance details to make an informed choice. After selecting a fund, click on the Buy option. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order, and finalize the transaction. It's that simple. Once your purchase is complete, you can monitor your investment through your account dashboard. Remember to do your own research and consider your financial goals before investing. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!